Hi guys, so interesting section. This is something only Google Cloud does. They release three types of commands. So first is alpha, second is beta, and then the third is the commands without prefix, which is basically the production version. If you can see the G-Cloud block down there. So the G-Cloud alpha commands, the way you can look at them, they're just out of development and they're basically putting it out there for people to test out. Once it passes that phase, it goes to beta testing, and those features are most likely going to be production. And once the testing is done, then they become actual production commands. So G-Cloud billing accounts list, if I try it just with the regular, see, I'm trying to autocomplete, but it doesn't show anything. But it is available under alpha and beta. So G-Cloud alpha billing accounts list works, G-Cloud beta billing accounts list works, but G-Cloud billing accounts list does not work. And the reason that this becomes important, the system stability can get affected by mismatching versions. But here, these guys keep releasing version after version. Now the billing account list, I use that command a lot of times, but it is not production ready, so I have to use it. But not the best thing to do in a production scenario, but that's what we're stuck with. Anyway, so these commands are not by default installed, so we have to install them just like any other component. Anyways, I'm not sure if I should be showing you those billing lists, but this is the 9th time I'm making this video, so I am not really concerned about it. So there are two ways you can get these commands. One is the regular component install. The other is to try and execute that command. Like basically, I'm just going to do G-Cloud beta billing accounts list. It's not installed. So it's going to ask me, do you want to get it installed? And I'm like, okay, yeah, let's do it. Same thing with alpha. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, basically, they're going to keep releasing. So you kind of have to make a call. Do you want to upgrade or not? At this point, you don't have to worry about it, but just something to keep at the back of your mind somewhere. All right. So that's it for this lesson, guys. See you in the next one.